All right, guys, we've got something I'm actually really excited to see today because I've never really used CarPlay. So we've got the SKISEA wireless Apple CarPlay car stereo. It's a 9-inch touchscreen. This will work for Apple CarPlay and also Android Auto. It's also got a dash cam, 1080p backup camera. I mean, this thing's got navigation, mirror link, Siri, FM. It's got Bluetooth connection. What I'm going to do right here is just kind of show you what we're working with. Out of the box, I can tell you this is packaged very nicely. Wow, this is cool. We've got a very sleek looking display right there. That is a sleek display. Look how thin it is. And look at, it's got the camera right on the back. So it's ready to go with that right out of the box. And then we've got all the cords and everything. You've got like your cigarette adapter. We even have like, there's going to be different ways we can hook it up. We can use a windshield adapter for that. That'll kind of hold it up there. We've got our wiring. And what we're going to do now is we're going to fast forward to the car and we're going to get this thing set up. All right, we're in the car with this awesome thin smart screen. You can see it's got a camera on the back of it. And a couple things. You have a couple different ways you can attach it. You can attach this to your windshield. And then what it does is it just attaches to the back of the unit itself. Or you've got one of these that'll attach to the unit as well. So there's two different ways to attach it to your dash or to your windshield. We'll leave that up to you based on your car and your preference. So what we have is we have a cigarette adapter here. We've got that plugged in. It gives you an extra USB port there if you want to be able to charge your phone while using it. And this is a USB-C cable. And as you can see, we've got a USB-C port right on the back there. We're just going to plug that in and that's going to power us on. Now we do have the on button there, but it's just going to come on anyways and you can see it loading up. And I'm setting this up for the first time. So you're going to see, can an idiot like me set up this kind of cool technology in your car? Look at that. It's already got the rear view camera going, or the windshield camera. So that's cool. Now, another thing, as this is loading up, they give you a rear view camera. If you can wire this through your car, they have the wires and everything. You can actually attach this to the outside back of your car and you have a rear view camera and a front camera. I think that's very cool. But let's see if we can get this set up. So I have an iPhone, so we're going to do Apple CarPlay. And then on our phone here, we're just going to select unknown, and that is actually not unknown. That's the Bluetooth that connects to this. All right. And then ninth. Let's not do, yeah, let's do favorite thing. Whatever. All right. Use CarPlay. Okay, check it out. Oh, it's playing music. Oh, how funny. Okay, it's already going. All right, so we connected it and it instantly started playing from our Spotify. How cool is that? How cool is that? So look what we can do here. We're home, right? Let's see what we can get to everything. All right, here we go. All right, so this is the main screen. Look at this. Your iPhone is now on your car display. This is CarPlay. It's ready to go. You can use your phone. You can go back. You can get into Spotify. You can go back. You can get into Audible. Like, you can get into your apps from here. This is so cool. And obviously, one of the main things that's awesome about this is you can use maps to navigate to wherever you're going. This device, look how easy that was for an idiot like me to set this up. I've never used one of these before. I have no clue what I'm doing, and it's that easy to use. Anytime you get in your car, this is plugged in. It's going to turn on, connect to your phone automatically. You've got CarPlay in your car.